You see the teeth are dirty. There are cavities on the teeth. And how are we going to clean them? We're going to use a toothbrush and we're going to clean the teeth. Come on, try cleaning them. Good job. You see, when we brush our teeth, the cavities go away. They don't come, right? Come on, try cleaning. Slowly, slowly. Clean this one. See, all the cavities are going with the toothbrush. Very nice. Right, can you clean up these teeth? Come on, clean up all the cavities. Right, what is this? It's a toothbrush. When we brush our teeth every day, we don't get cavities on our teeth, right? Show me your teeth. Do you clean your teeth every day? Do you brush them every day? How many times? Do you brush them before going to bed? Right? Good job. Clean up. You see, all the cavities are gone. If we brush our teeth every day, we don't get cavities in our teeth. Show me your teeth. Where are your teeth?
Yeah, he'll take this. And make a stamp over here. Press it. Good job. Wait. Look, this is how you make it. What are you doing, Ibrahim?
I'm making a spider.
You are making a spider?
Yeah.
Wow.
Spiders are 8 ones.
Yes. Okay, Meesam, let's make a stamp. 1, 2, 3, go. Press it. Good job. Press it. Good job. Okay, pick it up, Meesam. Pick it up. Let's pick it up. Meesam, let's pick it up. Pick it up. 1, 2, pick it up. So nice. Do you like it?